Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how our Readability Evaluator flow works. You can find this template in the Flow library by selecting the Readability Evaluator option. This flow allows you to evaluate the readability of content from a URL using multiple readability metrics to give you a comprehensive score. Just input the URL, and the tool will analyze it using formulas like Flesch-Kincaid, Dale-Chall, Flesch Reading Ease, ARI, Coleman-Liao, Gunning-Fogg, SMOG, SPOSH, and Linseer-Wright. You can even view detailed scores for each metric, helping you gauge the accessibility of your content. For more details on building this flow, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for tuning in.